Hi there, and good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. We have a new service at Stock Market Mentor. It's actually called Crypto Market Mentor. And if you want to learn about crypto in terms of trading Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Polkadot, Cardano, whatever you want to learn about, we have a bunch of tutorials ready to go for new members. You can take a trial. It's $7 for 30 days, so best deal in town. But I'm really interested in the crypto space. I think it's exciting. I think it's cool technology. Is it going to be the future of finance? I don't know. I mean, I can't tell the future, but it is interesting. And so we've been following this story a lot, and lately I've been focusing on Coinbase stock, as Coinbase is kind of just coiling here right along a bunch of moving averages. We have the 50-day moving average, the 100 EMA, the 8-day, and the 21-day, and it's just kind of chopping sideways, but holding up nicely above the 200-day moving average. That's the blue line here. So I think this is definitely a stock to pay attention to. Whether you like crypto or not, I don't think that matters. I think you should focus on making money. And if this stock can make you money, then it doesn't really matter what sector it's in. And so what I want to see here from Coinbase is a break above that high right there. Now, the high yesterday, meaning Monday, it almost got back above and held above the 50-day moving average, and even today got above but couldn't hold above. And so I want to see a clean break above that 79.40 level, coming on higher than average volume, and then ideally a close above that 50-day moving average. That'll tell me that this stock is ready to break out of this consolidation pattern, which it's been in for a couple of weeks here. So Coinbase, I'm going to set an alert on my software. Wanted to share this idea with you. And again, just say, hey, if you're interested in learning about blockchain, learning about Bitcoin, whatever it is, we have a new service, and we are giving away a ton of free training right now. So hit up stockmarketmentor.com/crypto. Even if you end up not liking it, you might learn something new. So I hope that video is helpful. Give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades, and be sure and check out what we're up to at stockmarketmentor.com. I'll see you next time.